My name is Yeong Kim, and I'm a faculty member in the Human Development Family Sciences program at the University of Texas at Austin. If you are an undergraduate student finishing your undergraduate studies in psychology or human development type fields, you may be thinking about what to do next in terms of graduate school. So if you are thinking of doing a professional school, there are many options there. Some types of professional schools are schools like law school, medical school, occupational therapy, or social work. But on the other hand, if you're thinking about doing a graduate school, then you're thinking either a master's or a PhD degree. If you are thinking of going to a professional school, some of them also, of course, require exams such as LSAT for the law school or MCAT for medical school. In most cases, some schools, for example, for occupational therapy or social work, may also require the GRE, although many schools are also not requiring that anymore. So if you are thinking graduate school, some things to think about is whether you want to pursue a master's or a PhD degree. If you are thinking that you want to do a PhD eventually, but you don't think you're exactly competitive for a PhD degree, another thing to think about is doing a master's degree first to be a competitive candidate. And then once you build up more research experience, better GPA, and also potentially some publications, then you can apply for the PhD. Many students who are doing a bachelor's degree in psychology or human development family sciences wonder whether they should just go straight to the master's and finish there, or if they should do a master's first before doing a PhD. Students who think they may want to do the PhD really need to think about whether they would like to do research in the future. If you're thinking you want to do research in the future, then doing a PhD is probably the route to go. But if you don't have a competitive profile, such as strong grades, good recommendation letters, good research experience, along with some publications to be competitive for the PhD, doing a master's degree may be the way to go. And again, if you are thinking about deciding between a PhD or a master's degree, thinking about whether doing research is your ultimate goal is going to be the deciding factor in whether you want to do the PhD. So for a recap, if you're doing an undergraduate degree in psychology or human development related fields, think about whether you would like to pursue a professional degree or a graduate degree. And if you're thinking about a graduate degree, think about master's degree if you think you want to be a clinician and don't think you want to do research. But if your ultimate goal is to do the research, we recommend that you do a PhD.